Hello everyone, this is Ravi Singh and I welcome you all to my Udemy course. This course will be DP-700 Microsoft Certified Fabric Data Engineer Certification, and this is the second or advanced level of Fabric certification. The first one is DP-600, for which you must have seen my practice test already on Udemy. This is the second certification for Fabric. So if you are looking to get advanced knowledge on DP-700, uh, concept which are one step ahead, and practical implementation of different concept on Fabric, then definitely go ahead and attempt this certification. So far, two practice tests and one use case based practice test. So to understand whatever concept you have studied already in your during the course Microsoft learning courses, you can test your knowledge. You can attempt exam kind of environment for this certification, and definitely you will gain confidence after attempting this certification. We start. Let me give a brief intro about who am I. I'm Ravi Singh. As I said, I have around 16 plus years, close to 17 years of experience in IT world, and basically I'm currently working as a technical architect, and I have a wide range of experience from API, middleware, Java to MuleSoft, and I also worked on the database side, data warehouse, AI tools, as well as Power BI. So let's see how this Udemy course can help you. What are the benefits of this? So of course, if you are attempting DP-700, the Fabric Data Engineer test, which is the second or advanced level of DP-600, this practice test will help you with the key skills or the important skills you required or you need for this certification, like ingesting data with data flows, pipelines, your delta tables, how to ingest data using delta table, how to implement different kind of security like your row level security, how to integrate Power BI in real time with Fabric, and also I have included scenario based question which is going to help you to understand or to validate the skills you have learned during your Microsoft learning course. So if you are looking for DP-700 exam, definitely go ahead and enroll it. Now let me show you what are the different topics which I will be covering in this. So the major topics which will be covered is data ingestion and transformation, how and what are the sources from where you can ingest data in Fabric, and what are the different tools you are going to use like data flows, pipeline, and Spark, how to manage one lake and delta tables, that of course those concept and question based on those concept, like how to store, manage, and optimize data, question will be there based on these concept. Then you have data governance and security, how you can secure the data, maintain the compliance. So those kind of topics also will be included in the question. How to optimize the performance, like if you have a large volume of data, or you want to give a better experience to the user, how you can optimize your Fabric environment. So question will be there. Integration and automation, of course, you need to connect Fabric to the different external application like Azure, APIs, Power Automate, different tools. So question will be there for those topics. Now you need to integrate Power BI or the analytics solution with that. So how you can integrate Power BI in a real time or maybe in a batch mode kind of data load. So there will be scenario based question on that, and of course monitoring and troubleshooting, which is the last topic, where you will be asked question like how you can continuously monitor the performance, and how you can troubleshoot in case of any issue with the data load, and how you'll make sure that the data will be highly available and without downtime. So question will be there based on all these topics. Now the last part is who should go for these practice tests. So for the DP-700, the ideal candidate will be data engineer, your BI developer, cloud engineer, solution architect, anyone who is involved with the data warehouse, and Microsoft Azure or similar data platform, you need to understand the basic concept, and you need to upskill or reskill on Fabric concept. So you should attempt this certification, and to attempt the certification you should go for this practice test. Now there could be situation like you may be thinking or maybe scared about what kind of question that may come in the exam. So if you go with this practice test, definitely you will understand the real scenario, the real world scenario, challenges, and what kind of question that may be asked. Now, of course, I've included hands-on experience with Fabric. So question will be there which will be checking your basic knowledge on data transformation, how you can apply security and the best practices of Fabric. So definitely this is going to help you with DP-700. I wish you all the best, and if you are looking to take a last exam before the certification, then definitely attempt this and let me know your feedback. I'm listening here, and I will improve my courses based on your feedback. So please do not forget to comment or give me feedback. Thank you very much for subscribing this course.